So before proceeding ahead, I request you to download genzydeal.ai application from Play Store. If you scan this QR using the same QR code, you can download on your device. Getting it Google signed in, you will be visible with a screen with a starting section of trending Gen Z deals, offline sections, big brands, plus exclusive deals, hyperlocal deals for students around the universities, and also we have another categories of AIML, so you can explore those as well here. Plus there is many scholarships and the current offline campaigns that we are running for Earth and Annuity, which is a government organization for financial literacy for students, where they are promoting financial literacy in tier 2 and tier 3 cities. The main we will going to see the UPI section of Aditya Capital. So if you click on the banner, it will ask you to enter the code a week heritage, and if you click on verify, it will redirect you to the Play Store or the App Store as per your device. So it will ask, as I have already downloaded the app, so I have directly redirected to the application. So you can say, allow it for sending the information. You need to enter the mobile number which is connected to your UPI. For example, my number is 95033 and enter my name as Shreyas. Most of you already have UPI in another applications. So here you will get a special benefit on your first transaction of at least minimum 150 rupees to a merchant. You will get the cashback of 30 rupees. It will automatically verify the OTP. If you already have the UPI in another application, so the process will be much easier for you. You can skip. And for device authentication, you can use device authentication or you can use an MPIN instead. It recognizes my face. And here it is, you can explore the app of grab 40% of 40 rupees cashback, make a UPI transaction with the ABCD app this weekend to earn. There are many more offers that ABCD is running currently. You can explore all those things like insurance, free credit score to know your finance game. If you click on the payment options, you will have like setup UPI to proceed ahead with your banking linking. So it is a totally secured app and you don't have to worry about the security of your account. So that will be assured by us. And whatever the support you need in your application process, you can click on my profile and you can click on help and support. You will get all the support options here and you can proceed ahead. If you have any doubts in this video, you can comment below and Avik will help you to clear them, as your student will reach out to you and clear your queries. If you have any doubts still, you can comment below and we will help you to clear them. Thank you.